Let's take a look at a process to send a document for signature using a cloud service. For this example, we'll use Tungsten SignDoc. So from the Security tab, we'll select the SignDoc drop-down and then Send via Tungsten SignDoc. This document will need to be signed by 2 people. So let's go ahead and add the 2 recipients that this document will be sent to. The document should be signed first by Virtual Large Pharma and then Tungsten Research. So I'll remove the tick from a Complete in Any Order tick box. From here we can then drag the required fields onto the form that we need to have filled out. With Virtual Large Pharma recipient selected, we'll add a signature field and then a text box for the date. Next, with Tungsten Research selected, we'll do the same. From there we can send it, and the document will be sent to each recipient in order. We can see that Virtual Large Pharma are the first to sign. Let's go ahead and open up the document for signing. Clicking through the consent form, the recipient has the opportunity to download the document prior to signing. We'll proceed to sign. The first field is highlighted. We'll sign and date the document and click Done and then Finish. Once the first signing has completed, Tungsten Research received the document for signature. Again, we'll consent to e-signatures and proceed to sign the document. We can see that Virtual Large Pharma has already signed. We'll sign and date and click Done, and that's the process complete. The user initiating the signing process will receive an email confirmation that the signing package has completed, along with a complete audit trail of activity. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.